Back in 2018, our journey in Penang commenced with a visionary investment of $350 million, marking the beginning of a remarkable transformation. What started as a greenfield investment has steadily grown, becoming a symbol of Micron's commitment to innovation and progress. Micron's presence in Penang has evolved significantly over the past decade. From the grounds of Batu Kawan, Penang, we assemble and test leading-edge SSDs, modules, NAND, and PCD RAM, making Micron Malaysia a manufacturing powerhouse. With an investment of $2 billion and a workforce exceeding 4,500 talented team members, our 1.5 million square feet facility stands as a testament to our commitment in advancing the electrical and electronics industry in Malaysia. Our journey began with a facility in Seberang, Perai, and as we grew, it subsequently led to our first world-class building in Batu Kawan, known as Grande. This transformation mirrors our relentless pursuit of operational and manufacturing excellence, our commitment to developing talent, and our commitment to sustainability, not just within our operations, but also in the broader community that we embrace. Today, our facility stands as a shining example of progress, powered entirely by 100% renewable energy. We're not just building chips, we're building opportunities, connecting the world by enabling future technologies as we accelerate intelligence. Our commitment extends further than our operations. It's a commitment to the nation's growth and economic development. But our impact goes beyond manufacturing and operational excellence. We take great pride in being a responsible corporate citizen. Our contributions to the communities exceed 4 million ringgit through various aids, funds, laptop donations, and partnerships. We continue to create inclusive and resilient growth with our community partners, enriching lives for all. As we celebrate our 45th anniversary, we also embrace a new milestone, the launch of our latest facility in Batu Kawan. This new addition marks our continuous dedication to driving tomorrow's technologies and empowering lives through innovation and expertise of our people.
Good day everyone. I'm Ramu Iyer, site leader for Micron Malaysia. When I took this challenge to lead this greenfield site almost 5 years ago, together with a team of very talented individuals, we are guided with a true north philosophy which puts customers first and continue with this moral compass journey. We will continue to strive in creating a positive impact to our customers, company, teams, and our communities that we operate in. Thank you so much.
Good day to one and all. I've witnessed the steadfast growth of Micron in Malaysia from our site in Seberang, Perai back in 2018 to our first facility in Batu Kawan and now to the launch of our new facility here. Congratulations to everyone in Micron Malaysia for enabling and contributing to this milestone. It has been a tremendous journey thus far, and as memory and storage continues to fuel future technologies, the simmer at the horizon indicates that the best is yet to come. Micron will continue to fulfill our duty as a corporate citizen, and we will develop together with our ecosystem partners to advance economic growth to enrich lives for all.